Yo, another week, you know what that means. Another dead easy recipe that's nutrient dense for busy people who want to lose some body fat and build some muscle. If you like these videos, hit the thumbs up, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to find out anytime I post a new one. Enjoy. For those of you who are savages and don't know what this is, it's called a food processor, and it makes healthy eating very accessible. It makes sauces simple to make and things like this that are super simple and super delicious. All you need is some whole strawberries, frozen ones, just like that. Greek yogurt, I like the plain low-fat one, but if you wanted to gain weight or if you want something really tasty and more dessert-like, you can use a high-fat one. I'm using whey protein here, that's just 2 scoops. You could use more if you want, depending. I like just the flavor of 2 is sweet enough for me. You could use honey, you could use a sweetener like a Splenda. Today I'm using just this jam that's sweetened with Splenda. It's pretty low calorie. I think it's super delicious. So let's get started. This one is just dead simple. So we're gonna use a bunch of strawberries. Once you get your strawberries in, you're gonna use your yogurt. Take your yogurt, and again, just, I don't know, a bunch. 2 cups, something like that. Protein powder. You can either use jam, you can use sweetener, you can use honey. You can use whatever you want to make this sweet or not at all, because it's pretty sweet with the strawberries already. But I like this because it gives it a little bit of extra flavor. And that is it. It's ready to rock. Perfect. That's you. All you're gonna do now, crack that bad boy open. Let's see if I can take this off. And yeah, basically all you want is for it to look something like this. And then you can put it into a nice little dish. If you're a savage like me, you're just gonna go ahead and eat it straight out of the bowl because it's delicious. It's a nice little lid on there. And this can go straight in the freezer, and that'll be good for a couple weeks. I'm ready to use it. I'll just pull it out of the freezer and put myself a little bit into a mug and let it thaw for a couple minutes, and it's good to go. But in just a couple minutes, you've got something that's way better than, I would say, store-bought ice cream. It is really cheap. If you know me, that's important. It's super thick, super delicious. And if you want to choose the lower calorie options, you're probably looking at a couple hundred calories. It's packed with protein. And for those of you who struggle with appetite and are trying to gain weight, you can easily put down quite a bit of this, especially if you use high-fat yogurt and raspberry jam, as I have done, maybe some delicious toppings. So enjoy, guys. So good. Boom, like I said, this is totally customizable based on your goals. You can make it more or less calorie dense, however you want. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if there's something you want to see next. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell if you want to get notified whenever I make a new one.